All right, darling. So today is going to be a review day. And I don't know if you could tell the difference between this side of my face and this side. Yeah. As you can see, I have acne scars. I be trying to tell y'all asses that my skin is not flawless. Okay, you see this, right? You see all those dark spots, couple of freckles or whatever. And you see this spot, mine is big, this big fat ass juicy pimple right there. Don't y'all want to lick it? Okay, so can y'all see my mustache? I hope y'all can't. Anyway, this side of my face, I have been experimenting with Dermablend Professional Cover Cream. Now, when it comes to foundations, you know what I'm saying? I just kind of throw some shit on there, pack it on there, and keep it moving. This stuff you cannot really pack on because it's hella thick. And the color that I got was Chroma 5.5 in golden brown. And as you can see, I've been scraping out of it. I'm thinking, you know, when I originally tried this on, I think it matched my skin. It does match my skin. I think I could afford to go a tiny bit lighter. But I actually used it on this side of my face, and baby, it does cover up some shit. Let me tell y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me get a clean sponge right fast. Wherever my sponge is. Where's my shit at? Oh. Alright, so let me show y'all. I'm just going to spoon a little bit of it onto the back of my hand and warm it up and all that good stuff. Just a little bit like that, because I just want to show you guys how much it actually really does cover. And I'm sorry that my webcam is so crappy, y'all. I promise y'all, once I get this shit squared away with my car, I'm going to get a decent camera. Alright, so I just mixed a little bit of it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use like a little cosmetic sponge. You can always use whatever you want, your fingers, a brush, whatever. So y'all see, sucks. Let me get closer so y'all can see. Alright, see the side of my face? Watch this. It that's my beard. Oh, I got to shave that. So anyway, yeah. See, it covered that little mark up. So it works great. It's a bootleg tutorial or a review, I know, but I'm telling y'all, it works really great. I'm just gonna apply it all over the side of this face. The side of this face, this side of my face, sorry. So you guys can see what I'm talking about. I really need to shave my mustache. It covers up my little moles, little freckles, and everything. Now, I just applied it to my cheek, but now look at it. Oh, Tyra Banks. No, Halle Berry. So, yeah, as you can see, it covers up everything. It's hella thick, though. So, yeah. I would, you know, I guess if you really don't care about your little minor imperfections and stuff like that, then it's not a big deal. But for those of you, you know, some people do have like that skin discoloration disorder. This would work actually really well because it's super thick. It does cover quite a bit. And I don't know, I like it. The main thing, the reason why I could tell that it really does work, because the first place I used it was right here. On my chin, which I have a bunch of black marks from where I pluck my hairs and stuff, because y'all know I'm half man, half amazing, okay? And my skin down there is very fucked up, you know, because it has little dark spots and shit like that. And look at it now. So yeah, it doesn't hide anything that's raised up off the skin, but anything that's flat on the skin, it works great. So that's pretty much what it is. I know a lot of people say that they don't like to use it because it gets off on everything, but what I have noticed is if your ass don't set it with some kind of powder, it is going to come off on everything. So, of course, if you rub real hard, shit's gonna come off. But on this side, I just dab a little bit, and there is hardly any on my paper. So it has like a little bit, which of the powder, which I expect that, but you do it on this side and just wipe it a couple of times, and yeah, it comes off. But you have to set it with something. So, like I said, you can either use your NYX, because I have used this. This works just fine. You can use this as a setting powder, or you can make you a mixture of talc powder mixed with foundation, which is what I did, and just put it in a little bit of, in a little jar, and it actually works just fine for me. So I don't know. So that's my bootleg review. I'll have to do a better video later. You can see that the two sides of my face are different colors. That's because I set this side and I didn't set this side, which I'm thinking I probably set that with the powder. It's too dark. But let me try it with just some cornstarch, because I know my girl Sithwich, she did a video about setting your foundation with cornstarch. And I said that I was going to try it, which of course I never did. But guess what? I'm doing it now, girl. So I'm going to get a little bit on a clean sponge. And, which side of my face did I do? This side. So you just press it into your skin like so. And, that seems to work too. Just press it in there. I know once you actually set it with the powder, you're supposed to let it sit for 2 minutes, which we got, what, 7 minutes? Let's see. But that actually works. So, yeah. I like it. I actually like the cornstarch. Is this cornstarch or is this powder? Rhapsody powder. Okay, yeah, that one's cornstarch. So, yeah, I actually like it set with the cornstarch. Like I said, y'all know me, I'm cheap, right? And I find any way not to pay $21 for some fucking talc. I think that's ridiculous to pay that much for some damn talc. That's just like people paying, that obscene amount of money for that damn, what you call that shit? That you can get from Coastal Scents. Silica. Makeup Forever charges $30 for a 1 gram. I don't even think it's not a gram, a full ounce of silica powder, which they call it a setting powder, which is the exact same shit from Coastal Scents, which I actually got some of it. So yeah, cornstarch actually works even for my skin tone. Do y'all think it looks ashy? Let me put a little bit more on my forehead. A couple of little dots. Just press it in there. I mean, the cream is so damn thick, like, yeah, it should absorb some shit, thick as it is. It works great, though. Just kind of press it into your skin. I actually like, what side do you guys think is better? The cornstarch side or the Rhapsody powder or talc side? What y'all think? I actually like the cornstarch side better. Gives you like a really matte look, a matte. Y'all know I'm stupid, right? Matte. Makes your skin look real matte. Yeah. So anyway, that's my bootleg review. I hope somebody finds it helpful. I actually like it. Ooh, I like that side a whole lot better. It's less red than my little homemade foundation shit. So, yeah. That's what's up, ladies. Bam! Halle Berry. Halle Berry. Halle Berry. I put my eyebrows on, baby. You can't tell me nothing.